cute.
Too much reading.
Oh, it's so cute.
What's
Oh
it?
my goodness.
What is that called?
A unicorn at a
And what color is she?
purple and white.
Is
And
Smile.
you love
Can you
horses.
smile? Hold this up and smile for Mom.
that a pegacorn?
Look at Mom.
I have wings.
Is that a pegacorn?
No, unicorn.
Oh, oh.
Pegasus.
Let's see. Smile.
It doesn't have the horn, right?
No.
No.
That's a Pegasus.
Wow.
What else do I have? Do you need help?
Careful. No.
Whoa!
Goodness.
Anything else?
Oh, she saw those.
Sacks.
Wow, look at those.